2023 Jeep Wagoneer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.